Ladies and gentlemen, I want to share with you a profound truth. Life doesn't give us what we need, it gives us what we deserve. This isn't a moral judgment, but a reflection of a fundamental principle. To reap rewards, we must first plant seeds. Remember, reaping is reserved for the planters. Doors of opportunity don't open because we need them. They open because we knock. Continual effort knocking on these doors is what earns us the right to walk through them. Similarly, finding is reserved for those who seek. Needing something is not enough. Qualifying for it through effort and pursuit is key. In life, many of us stand before doors of potential and possibility, waiting passively for them to open. We often believe that our needs, by their mere existence, justify the opening of these doors. However, the truth is that doors of opportunity are more responsive to action than to necessity. It's not the intensity of our needs that unlocks these doors, but the consistency and determination of our efforts. When we talk about knocking on doors, what we're really discussing is the embodiment of initiative and persistence. Knocking is an active process. It requires us to identify doors, opportunities, dreams, goals, and to approach them with the confidence to knock. But knocking once is rarely enough. It's the continual knocking, the relentless pursuit of our objectives that truly matters. This concept also ties into the idea that finding is reserved for those who seek. Passive desire, no matter how strong, is usually ineffective. Active seeking, on the other hand, is a dynamic process. It's about exploration, making inquiries, trying, failing, and trying again. Those who seek are not deterred by the first, second, or even the third closed door. Their journey of seeking is fueled by the belief that what they are looking for is attainable and worthy of their efforts. Qualifying for what we seek through effort and pursuit is a transformative process. It's not just about achieving a specific goal or opening a particular door. The process of continually knocking and seeking develops us in ways that mere attainment cannot. It hones our skills, strengthens our resolve, and deepens our understanding of both our objectives and ourselves. Therefore, it is important to embrace this active pursuit. When we come across a door of opportunity, we mustn't merely stand and wait, hoping it will open due to our need. Instead, we should knock with persistence, seek with determination, and be prepared to walk through when it opens. Not because we need what's on the other side, but because our efforts have earned us the right to what lies beyond. Expanding on the process of deserving through self-improvement and personal development, we understand that this journey begins with a conscious commitment to growth and learning. It's a process that involves actively seeking out knowledge and experiences that contribute to our personal and professional growth. This journey can take many forms, each playing a vital role in opening the doors of opportunity and making us deserving of what lies beyond them. In the quest for self-improvement, knowledge is a key ingredient. This can involve reading books, which serve as gateways to new ideas, perspectives, and wisdom from a variety of fields. Each book or article you read can add a new dimension to your understanding and skills. Similarly, following industry news, attending webinars, and participating in online courses are other ways to continuously feed your mind with new information. Then we must begin to engage in meaningful conversations. Interaction with peers, mentors, or even people from diverse walks of life can offer insights that you might not gain from books or lectures. Such conversations can challenge your viewpoints, open your mind to new ideas, and encourage creative thinking. They can also be a source of inspiration, motivation, and we must never be afraid to ask important. This is an essential part of the learning process. By asking questions, you demonstrate your curiosity and eagerness to understand more deeply. It shows that you are not just passively receiving information, but actively engaging with it. This approach can lead to a deeper understanding of subjects and can open up new avenues of thought and inquiry. We must then practice reflection alongside gathering knowledge. It's important to reflect on what you've learned. Reflection helps in internalizing knowledge and understanding how it applies to your life and goals. It also aids in recognizing areas where you need further improvement, allowing for a more targeted approach to personal development. It is also important that we apply what we learn. Knowledge becomes truly powerful when it is applied. This might mean taking on new challenges at work, experimenting with new strategies in your personal life, or simply applying new ways of thinking to everyday problems. Application cements learning and demonstrates your growth. The willingness to adapt is crucial in personal development. The world is constantly evolving, and being adaptable ensures that you remain relevant and capable of taking on new opportunities as they arise. By engaging in these actions, you signify your readiness not just to receive opportunities, but to grow from them. Personal development is not a passive process. It's an active journey. It's about being in a state of continual learning and adaptability, ensuring that when opportunities arise, you are not just willing but fully prepared to seize them. This readiness and capability is what makes you deserving of new opportunities and successes in life. Expanding on the topic of the importance of problem solving and the value of attempting solutions independently, we delve into a fundamental aspect of personal and professional growth. Problem solving is an essential skill that transcends various facets of life, from everyday challenges to complex professional situations. By emphasizing the importance of taking initial steps to solve problems on one's own, we recognize the multiple benefits this approach offers. When you attempt to solve problems independently, you're forced to engage your critical thinking abilities. This involves analyzing the problem, breaking it down into smaller parts, considering various angles, and developing potential solutions. This process enhances your ability to think logically and make informed decisions, skills that are valuable in all areas of life. Then we must enhance creativity and innovate. Solving problems on your own often requires creative thinking. You might need to think outside the box or come up with innovative solutions. This not only solves the immediate problem, but also helps in developing a more creative approach to challenges in general, encouraging innovative thinking that can be applied in various scenarios. Then we continue to build self-reliance and confidence. There's a significant confidence boost that comes from solving problems independently. It reinforces a sense of self-reliance and enhances your belief in your abilities. This confidence is crucial when facing future challenges, as it instills a mindset that you are capable of overcoming obstacles. We also must focus on learning from our mistakes. Attempting to solve problems on your own means you might make mistakes, and that's a valuable part of the learning process. Mistakes provide critical learning opportunities, offering insights into what doesn't work and why. This understanding is essential for both personal growth and problem-solving efficiency in the future. You must also know when to seek help. It's important to recognize when a problem is beyond your current capabilities and to seek assistance. Knowing when and how to ask for help is a critical skill. It involves the ability to assess the situation, acknowledge your limitations, and utilize available resources, including the expertise of others. Then we must continue to build emotional and mental resilience. Problem solving is not just an intellectual exercise. It's also an emotional one. By facing challenges head-on, you build resilience. This is the mental and emotional toughness that comes from encountering difficulties and working through them. It prepares you for future challenges, making you more adaptable and mentally tough. In essence, what I am advocating for is a shift in perspective. It's about moving from a state of needing to a state of deserving. This shift requires a proactive stance in life, an eagerness to learn, grow, and contribute. It's about planting the seeds of effort, patience, and perseverance. In conclusion, let's embrace this philosophy of deserving. Let's be the planters, the seekers, and the knockers. Let's earn the life we desire through our actions and contributions. And remember, the journey to deserving starts with a single step, a step we must all be willing to take. Thank you.